When you look across enterprise inference today, what do you see as the core bottleneck holding back scale and performance?
Now, let me just take it from a high level. Calvin, you and I are thinking along the same lines. I actually have been using that phrase, well, the number goes up, every 3, 4, or 5 months. But yeah, we're looking at $500 billion GPU infrastructure, GPU servers, et cetera, all the stuff that surrounds it. And in reality, we're seeing true GPU utilization, being in that, 20%, maybe 30, maybe 40. But I think everybody we've talked to admits it's somewhere down in that zone. So, you think about 300, 400 billion of that not being utilized. And then you throw on top, wow, inference is really just kicking off. And last I checked, inference is supposed to be 8, 9, 10x the amount of what we're going to see versus the current mix of training, fine tuning, agentic training, et cetera. Whatever those numbers are going to be in 3, 4, 5, 10 years when it's really all inference. And to see that utilization rate so low. So I look at that as a symptom, right? That's a symptom of some real challenges.
In addition to that, like what Charlie mentioned, which is kind of a utilization or the maximizing it, what the industry is moving towards or what we are seeing is more kind of agentic workload, right? So that's what everybody keeps talking, or even the customers are moving towards that. But the challenge with respect to the agentic is two things. One is our theme or the problem that we are after, which is like dynamic and unpredictable. Agentic is that, wherein there's a cause, there is a reason, and now you're supposed to act, right? And that results into a lot of reasoning models. So it means that like you are going to generate more and more tokens to resolve it. And then the other problem with agentic workloads is you have kind of what is now called as like either MOE or multiple agents working in parallel in MCP. So that results into even more dynamism at the infrastructure level, right? That's what people are complaining about, or people are even looking forward to how the infrastructure is going to adapt to that.